Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. When we think about space, we often focus on the science and technology. But what about the mysteries, the unexplained phenomena? Today, we're exploring strange and spooky encounters reported by astronauts. Buckle up, because we're diving into tales that might just leave you sleeping with the lights on. Let's get started. Our first stop takes us back to 1981, with Soviet cosmonaut Vladimir Kovalyonok aboard the Salyut 6 space station. Picture this. You're orbiting Earth when you spot an elliptical object almost like a giant cosmic cigar. As Kovalyonok watched, it exploded into two golden spheres, culminating in a cloud of white smoke. Was it a malfunctioning satellite, a meteoroid breaking apart, or something else entirely? The mystery remains. 5. Our next story takes us to the Apollo program, a time when humanity was taking its first steps on the lunar surface. During Apollo 10's lunar orbit in 1969, the crew heard unexpected whistling, whooshing sounds in their headsets. These eerie sounds captured on mission recordings have been the subject of much speculation. Some attribute them to radio interference, a plausible explanation in the world of complex space technology, but others see it as evidence of something far more intriguing. Maurice Chatelain, a French-American aerospace engineer, claimed that UFOs flew over the lunar surface during the Apollo 11 landing. During China's Shenzhou 5 mission in 2003, astronaut Yang Liwei reported hearing a distinct knocking sound on the hull of his vessel. Imagine this, you're in space, and suddenly, you hear it. A rapping sound, as if someone, or something is knocking. 3. Story. Musgrave, a record-holding American astronaut, shared an experience so bizarre it left people scratching their heads. During one of his missions, Musgrave claims to have seen a snake-like object floating freely in space. 4. The International Space Station, a marvel of engineering, is a place where science is conducted 24/7. But even amidst the constant hum of machinery, there's room for the unexplained. Astronaut Leroy Chiao witnessed something perplexing during his time aboard the ISS in 2005. As he was working outside the station, something in the corner of his eye caught his attention. During the Gemini 4 mission in 1965, astronauts Ed White and James McDivitt had an encounter that became legendary. White, the first American to walk in space, spotted a metallic object with strange limb-like structures protruding from its sides. 4. Cosmonaut Musa Manarov, during his mission on the Mir space station in 1991, saw a bright, elongated, glowing object moving across the backdrop of stars. 4. Gordon Cooper, one of the original Mercury 7 astronauts, reported seeing a glowing green object approaching his capsule during his Mercury mission in 1963. This wasn't just a fleeting glimpse. The object was picked up on radar as well, suggesting it was something tangible. 3. During the Apollo 12 mission in 1969, astronaut Alan Bean spotted a shiny object reflecting sunlight, standing out against the desolate gray backdrop of the moon. 3. So there you have it, a collection of encounters that make you wonder if there's more to the universe than we currently understand. Are these stories evidence of extraterrestrial visitors, misidentified phenomena, glitches in the matrix of reality? Now it's your turn. Which report amazed you the most? We look forward to reading your thoughts in the comments. Take care and see you next time.